स्पेशल व्लॉग है एक्चुअली दादा का। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्पेशल व्लॉग। I have come to the showroom of KTM. Now these are the bikes which are on display here. These are the newly launched Husqvarna Smart Pillion. The full retro look, as you can see. The instrument console looks new, fully digital. This is the Vit Pillion, another model of Husqvarna. Same, these both are powered by 250cc, same Duke engine, but the positions are different. One is more like a cafe racer, one is more like a relaxed one. Another Smart Pillion here, Vit Pillion. This is a new color RC, white and orange, PS6 model. Here are the other models here, the RC model and the new black orange paint scheme. These are the two BS6 new color schemes that KTM has introduced. Those are the another 250 models, as you can see. 250. So this is the new look of the 250 390 styling, as you can see. But the instrument console is of the old Duke one. This is a Duke 200 model. So that's it, a short tour for all the motorcycles in here, and this is the crown jewel of KTM, the 390 Adventure, as you can see. The bike is huge. The tires are off-road ones, Metzeler off-road one tires are given. So the crown jewel of KTM is right at the center, along with the Smart Pillion. So that's it, a short video on KTM bikes on display. The seat height is same as that of the Duke also. The look is different. I think everything is same. From Duke, WP Apex suspension is given. Same from the Duke only, I think. The engine is same and produces same horsepower and torque as that of the Duke. Only thing that is different here is the bodywork, the mirrors, the headlight and the instrument console. Oh yeah, the indicators are also a bit different than of the Duke. Other than that, this is Duke in the new body form, I think. This is the total look of Smart Pillion. And this is the Cafe Racer one Vit Pillion. Everything is same like that of the Smart Pillion. Only thing is different is the handle position. Even the headlight is same, the instrument console is same, but the handlebars are a lot more like that of Racer. So this is the Cafe Racer one, the Vit Pillion. The seat height both are same, The tires are a bit different. The Smart Pillion more, I think it's road and off-road type, so the tires are a bit different. Let me see what are the tires given here. Okay, so these are the MRF ones. These are given MRF, and I think this will also be MRF only. Let me once check it from this side. Yeah, these are MRF tires. So not Metzeler's, these are given MRF tires. So that is the main problem of here, I think. If Metzeler's would have been given, I think it would have made more sense of the heftier price tag these two bikes are carrying. Alas, they look different than the Dukes. That is the only thing, but other than that, these bikes are basically the same inside out, the same trellis fan. Only thing that is different are the bodywork, the instrument console, the headlight. Other than that, it is Duke in this new body form. I think the exhaust note will be different of these motorcycles than that of the Duke. Other than that, everything else is same. So that's it. If I get hands on one, I'll give you a ride review if possible in the future. So this is again the Smart Pillion and the Wit Pillion, the cafe racer and the road come off-road one from Husqvarna. So catch you guys in another video. Till then, ciao.